So who is eligible to work in Canada? So yung mga Canadian citizens or permanent residents in Canada doesn't require work permits or a visa to work in Canada regardless of their country of residence. But yung foreign nationals like me, if a foreign nationals planning to visit or work in Canada, need siya po ng work permit or a visa to enter Canada po. And then to apply po ng to apply work permits or visa in Canada, must have work permits, especially must required a valid job offer po coming from employers na supported siya ng kasi meron siyang ang tawag nito, meron siyang open work permits or closed permits na tinatawag. So there are permits na supported by the LMIA na tinatawag, o yung LAMIA na Labor Market Impact Assessment. Yun po yung tawag. So meron po siyang halimbawa yung open work permits, yung permits na hawak ko is hindi na po siya kailangan ng hindi na po yun siya kailangan ng LAMIA. But other permits, meron po siyang supported po siya ng LAMIA. So those people po are supported with yun nga po yung LAMIA. And then yung kung PR ka, citizen ka na, it doesn't require you. But if a foreign national wanted to enter Canada, they may need ng permits or a visa. Kung visit ka lang, tourist ka lang, so visitor visa, temporary residence, TRV na ang inter mo dito.